Hello, here's a video about a very annoying thing that iPhones do, and I'll just demonstrate what it is. When you plug the power cable in, it makes a little bonging noise. So, yeah, now that's really annoying. You can't turn that off anywhere, at least I haven't found anywhere you can. What you can do is switch it into silent mode, and then it doesn't do it. And you flick it back, and obviously it does. But the problem with that is that you might forget to disable silent mode. Also, if your iPhone is in a case, some of the cases have got quite fiddly little controls for getting that switch to work. So here's a much easier way of doing it that doesn't involve clicking switches or making any noise. What you do is, when you pick the phone up to wake it up, you can see the time is there. If you flick to the right, it goes into camera mode. And when it's in camera mode, it doesn't bong. So I'll do that again. I'll unplug the power. We'll just make sure it does bong. So it bongs now. So if I put it down, I'll put it into like little quiet mode. So it's there. So what I do is I wake it up by just lifting it up and giving it a shake, and I see the time. I swipe from the right to go into the camera. Now when I insert the cable, nothing happens. I just press the button and there's no sound. Okay. That's all it is. So you can actually do it quite quickly and avoid that bonging noise. Late at night, especially if you've got kids, that noise travels quite a long way, and it's quite distinctive, and people might pick up on that. So if you want to be able to plug your phone in without it going bong, that's what you do. Quite an isolated tip, but you can like and subscribe. That would be helpful. You can turn the notifications off so you don't get reminders whenever I post anything, but subscribing is very helpful. I need to get over 1,000 before Google throw me a bone. So if you found this useful, I looked for videos on this and I couldn't find a video on this, so I thought I'd make one. So if you find this useful, then yeah, please like and subscribe. And once again, thanks for watching.